Hello children, let's continue with our class. The one which we are working, that HTML page is this one. I have not changed anything, and we have done about table. We have prepared a table, three table. This is the first one. This is the first table with roll number, marks and student name. Next one is to show the merge, that is called span and row span. We have used this table, and last one is for VIII to show the demonstration of a VIII. That VIII we can align the content in top, middle or bottom. Middle is by default, and here alignment left is by default, center and right align we have to give the attribute. Now let's start our class today with the size of the table. Look here, all the three tables are of different size. If you want to make an equal table size for all of the three, you have to mention the size. That is, if you didn't mention any size, then the table size will fix itself with the number of letters or number of words inside the content, that is the row. If there are more number of letters, then table will be in little broader than the less one, like this. This has less content inside, that's why it's little smaller. This one is in the middle, and this one is more number of words, that's why it's the biggest one. So let's fix a size. That's why we have to go to that table tag, the one which we give border, cell spacing and cell padding and all. We have to give here wide, that is, let's give 650. Height, let's give 200. Let's see, this is the table. If you want to make a little smaller also, we can make it 650. Let's give 600. Okay, this is 600 size. No, this is 600. So if you want to make all the three table equal, then copy this same size. You can type it also. I'll copy it and put it in that table tag here. Paste, and last table here. Paste. Look here, all the three tables are of same size. If there is not content, if the content size is not same also, the table size will be same. You have given the table size. According to your needs or according to your design, you can apply this one. But you have to know there are features like this to make them equal. So let's revise about table and let's finish up this topic. In table, what we have to do, before starting a table, before creating a table, we need to start with a table tag, with the table tag, and we have to finish that with end tag, table end tag. And border, if I want the outline of the table, then I have to mention in border in pixel, the value I have to give in pixel, number of pixel, 1 2 3, like that. If you want a bigger one, then you have to give a bigger number. If you don't want any bigger outline border, then you can mention just one only. And alignment surrounding the text alignment, you can give align. And cell spacing, between cell spacing is for gap between each cell. and cell padding is for the space between the space within the cell itself. And white height we have already done, and busy color and background. Look here, let's see about busy color and background. You can give this one, or you can leave with the background color itself. If you want to give a different color, busy color, look here, like this gray, you can put whatever your choice. In busy color you can put whatever your choice, but for now I will not give, but you have to know that there is an option. And background picture also you can add. Let's add that picture. Where is the picture link? No. Background. Look here, the picture will come behind the table. If you want to change like this, you can change busy color or background. For time being, we will not use this one, busy color or any background. The default color will be our table background, like that. Next is caption. If you want to mention what is this table is about, like this, food mark list above the table, like this, demo for VIII, like this. If you want to mention like this, you have to give in a caption here inside this caption. And starting inside this table tag, we are going to use the three main tag, that is tr, table row, td, table data, and th, table heading. Td and th is very similar. The only thing is the text which you are mentioned in th will be little bold than the default font size of table. From the default font size of table, it will be much bold. Look here, this one, and this is td, and this one is th. This one is td, and this one is th. If you want to make it little bold in size like this, you have to use th, that is table heading. And in td we have already done, that is alignment in td, the one which we have done here, this one, this is under td. And v-align we have done out here. This is, if there are more than one line, then you can use v-align and all. This line we are making it by using a break line that is entered in HTML. And what do we have other in td, that is call span and row span, the merge feature which we have in MS Word and Excel. Next is tr, table row you have to create. Before this td and th, table row first you have to give. In table row also you can give bg color, align, and v-align. If you want to make the whole row align in top or bottom, middle is by default. V-align you can give in tr. When you give that in tr, v-align attribute in tr, then tr tag, then a whole row will align at top. By default it will be in middle. This one is by default. V align middle. If I didn't give this V align middle also, it will align automatically in middle. So like that, TR. And alignment also same thing. If you want to align for the whole row, you can mention in TR. That is, we have done that example here. If I want to mention this whole row in center, alignment center, then I can give this TR in TR. Look here, this align center in TR here. But why I didn't give that in TR? Because I don't want to put the name of student in the center of the cell. That's why I didn't mention that one in TD4 name. I want to align only the roll number and mark in center. That's why we have already done this one. Now, next topic is hyperlinks. What are hyperlinks? A hyperlink in a web page. We are going to put a hyperlink in our web page. That it may be some letters like this. It may be like some letters, or it may be a picture. It may be a word or graphic image or icon. It may be anything. When you click on this one, when you click on this word or phrases, it will go to a particular location, another location, a specific address. We are going to link with that one. So when you click on that, it will go to that address. When you hover your mouse over that link, your cursor will change into a hand clicking. Okay, let's see. Or it may go to another website or anything. You have to give that one where it will go when you click on this hyperlink. This we will start with the anchor tag, that is A. Anchor tag is A. Let's start our hyperlink in here after the table. Let's give a comment here. Hyperlinks. Now let's start our hyperlink from here. When you click on hyperlink, when you want to start a hyperlink, first tag we are going to use is A, that is anchor tag. Anchor tag, you all know anchor. What is anchor? In a ship or boat, they use anchor. When they drop anchor down at the sea bottom, the boat is going to fix there in that space, in that area. That is called anchor. So we are going to use that anchor for A. Here we are going to use that A, anchor tag. When you click on this anchor tag, this href, this is hyperlink reference. This href is hyperlink reference. We are going to use this anchor tag and hyperlink reference. Href is for hyperlink reference. Here we are going to give the address where it has to go, where when I click on this link, where it will go, that I have to give that one. So I have added some pictures here. So let's give this one test. When I click on this one, it will go to test.html. And when I give this one, it won't appear anything. After table, nothing appear here. So here I have to give some words, lines, or link to the space. Here the link came. Look here, when I hover my mouse over here, this arrow changes into handpick. This arrow changes when I hover my mouse over here in the above the link. My mouse cursor changes into hand clicking. So to use a hyperlink is nothing. It is the address, pointing address, where it will go. When I click on this one, it will jump to that address. So we are linking a page or a website or some particular address. For giving an address, we will use A for anchor tag, and this hyperlink reference. href is for hyperlink reference, H for hyperlink, and ref for reference. Hyperlink reference equal to double quote. Inside this double quote, we will give the page address, page name. This page name should be in the same folder where I am working with this one. This demo file we are working on, it's with the same this demo we are working on right now. Everything we have done, it's in this demo. The one which we are doing here, this all is in under demo. So this demo is with the same this test is with the same file where demo is being kept. That's why I have not given any address for this test. Just I have mentioned this test and .html link to test page. Here I want some break line. I want some gap. Here, look here. When I click on this one, when I click on this link to test page, it will go to this page. This is the test page, which I have already shown you before this page. Look here, my program, this title, my program. When I go to back, it will come to this page again. Let's keep this table in the middle of the page. Where table tag start from here. Let's start table tag with table from here. So align center. We are going to keep that table in the middle like this. So we are going to bring both the table here in the middle. So let me copy this one and we will put in both the table. Again, another more. Okay, this is our page. I have changed those pictures. Now these are the list we have done. These are the table. Now after that, we have given a link here, link to the test page. When I click on this, it will transfer to that test page. This hyperlink, you can give a picture also. Beside words or text, you can give a picture. When you click on the picture, it will transfer to a new page. We have kept this table in the center of our page. Let's see that code again. So giving a hyperlink, for a hyperlink you have to start with an anchor tag, that is a, and hyperlink reference href equal to, in double quote you have to give the link address. So there won't be nothing if you give up to here, so you have to give this text or picture over here. We will do picture later on. This is the text we are using here, link to test space. This is the test space, so I have named it as link to test space, and here this is the end tag for hyperlink tag, that is anchor tag a. So let's end here for today class. Let's continue in next class. Thanks.